Today we look at Psalm 5 and verse 3. The NIV says, "In the morning, Lord, you hear my voice. In the morning I lay my requests before you and wait expectantly." And the Berean Study Bible says, "In the morning, O Lord, you hear my voice. At daybreak I lay my plea before you and wait in expectation." Today as I rise, it was so beautiful just hearing the birds, just hearing them already doing their work for the Lord and singing glory to His name. And as human beings, it is also so vital that we rise up in the morning and we give God thanks and praise. And the psalmist is saying here, not only does he portray his voice and give voice to God, but he also is saying that he brings his request to God and he waits expectantly. So I see a threefold thing here. Get up in the morning, give my voice to God, tell him how beautiful he is, thanking him for waking me up. And also, I bring my requests to him. I pray. And in bringing my request, I am hopeful and I am having the faith that he will do what he says he will do. He will do what I have asked of him. And so I prepare myself and wait in expectation for his answer. I want to encourage my dear friends. I want to encourage you to just give your voice to God. Give your request to him and also wait in great expectation because he's going to do marvelous things. Be encouraged today and remember that God is ever faithful. He cannot deny himself. Blessings to you today, my friend.